Students, this is the Alien Planet, okay, in which I am taking short and long answers of the chapter 5 from uh, Hornbill. So, question which I have taken, short answered, answer should be written in 30 to 40 words each. Question is number 1, what is the holistic and ecological view of the world? Holistic means complete. Ecological means in Hindi पर्यावरणीय दृष्टिकोण. Answer is the holistic and ecological view means that the world is one, whole one, that is, enormous being of which human beings are a part. Enormous means काफ़ी बड़ा विशाल. The so the ecology depends on just that is not just on human beings but on all things living and non-living. Like a human being, the world has its own metabolic needs which should be respected and preserved. So the view considers the earth as a living organism. Question 2, short. What do you understand by the concept of sustainable developments? Answer is the concept of sustainable development is linked with the survival of human race. It means to consume the resources of the earth in a manner that does not interfere the survival of the coming generations. यानी आने वाली जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स हैं उसको कोई बाधा ना पहुंचाती. We should use the resources for our present need without compromising the right of our future children to use them in their need. Next question, how are the earth's principal biological systems being depleted? Depleted means समाप्त होना, खाली होना, emptying resources, biological systems. As we know, answer, the four principal biological systems of the earth are croplands, fisheries, forests, and grasslands. So their productivity has become imbalanced because of human pressure on them. The forests have been cleared for making houses. Grasslands have been converted into wastelands. People are overfishing for protein. The world's increasing population is the cause behind the depletion, khali hona or समाप्त होना of these biological systems. Now to be continued. Next. Next question. What is new awareness? Awareness means jagrukta. That has dawned means to become clear upon most of the countries in the world. Answer is the new awareness which dawned upon most of the countries in the world is the realization ehsas karna that we have to shift means change from a system based on domination of the earth to one partnership. It means that if the human race is to survive, it can do so only with all other creatures. यदि human race survive करता है तो ये with the contact of with the living of other creatures and things औरों के साथ करता है survival. It is not possible to survive alone by human. Next question, why is population control essential in India? Answer, the population of India was estimated to be 920 million, that is 92 crores in the year of 1994. So overpopulation upsets all plans of development and causes poverty and unemployment. So either population is to be controlled or people would remain poor forever. Voluntary family planning is essential in order to overcome such problems. In problems को हटाना, overcome करना, जीत हासिल करना. Now long answered question, it should be 150 words. Question is, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. Elucidate means to make something clear इसको, यानी कि हमने अपने ये पृथ्वी को, ग्रह को अपने पूर्वजों से नहीं हासिल किया है या धरोहर में लिया है, हमने इसको अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. दिस इज टू बी क्लियर. Answer is this statement is made by Mr. Lester R. Brown, the author of the book The Global Economic Prospect. Mr. Brown has in his mind well known belief that the property which we inherit from our forefathers is ours. Okay? And we can do whatever we like with it. हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं इसको. So we ask us to remember that the earth is not for us to use or abuse as we like. It is something which we are duty bound to preserve for the next generations. So, while we use the earth and its resources for our present needs, it is only our duty to see that we do not compromise the ability of the future generations to meet their needs. So, it is therefore very important that we do not strip waste the natural world of the resources for future generations would need. क्योंकि फ्यूचर जनरेशन को आवश्यकता होती है इसको इस्तेमाल करने की. इवन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द फैक्ट that we do not pollute or spoil these resources which make them useless or harmful. Now that I have completed this one, tomorrow is the live classes for you. So you are to present there at 10 a.m. That will remain for 45 minutes. 45 मिनट की होगी. Tomorrow you are to present there, and I will take the chapter, the summer of the beautiful white horse. That is from that is next year snapshot. Thank you.